memberi ketenangan.
Mula-mula macam awkward sikit, tapi bila through the process, okey.
Tak. Ada.
Susah. Sebab dia tak boleh nak tahan nafas.
You bagi je pas, nanti hafalin. Nanti hafal. It's not about hafal.
Tak tahulah nanti lepas ke tak lepas.
It's not the end. Kalau kita things happen along the way. Tapi at the end of the day, ada hari kita up, ada hari kita down. Tapi this first experience banyak mengajar saya erti macam it's okay if you stumble, tapi bangun and jalan terus.